Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I'm back to share with you another cute little folio. I'm so excited. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick folio share. And if you're new, man, it's just so awesome to be here with you. I used Mintay papers. This collection was called Happy Place, and I have this cute little folio right here. It holds about maybe 25-30 pictures, and it was just so quick and easy. Came together perfectly. I did a little bit of dimension here and wrapped up a nice piece of chipboard there right out of my stash and popped some things up right there from the little fussy cutting page. I've got some nice gray satin ribbon here from the Dollar Tree, and I just matted my spine, chipboard cover, and spine, of course, like all my books are. And right here on the front and side cover, I do actually have the tutorial here on my YouTube channel. I'll leave it as a link down in the description if you wanted to take this class and check out how to construct this book together. So right here, you'll notice this nice cute little frame. I did some little angling pieces here. And again, I fussy cut this out right out of the collection. And this piece can slide either up or down and release these cute little flaps. So right here, we have this little removable frame. And again, you could stick your picture right inside here. I just have a quick little insert. I got that beautiful script paper back there. Oh my goodness, this collection is so vintage, soft, chic, and just wow. Perfect day to be happy. I ended up creating my own little hand lettered little tidbits here and there. So these little flaps open up, and I did a me and you here, and then places for pictures. You amaze me. Right down here at the bottom. These just close back up, and you could even do a magnetic closure here if you wanted, or you could do a little belly band locking in the flaps mechanism there. We've got a cute little angled pocket and a fun little insert with more picture space and journaling space right here with this cute tag. I just topped it with a little bit of ribbon there and some twine. That's actually crochet yarn, but it's basically twine. This is actually a functional belly band right here as well. So I just put time together right there with a cute little butterfly out of the paper pack. This is a nice big flap, opens up again. I did fussy cut this out of the paper, hand wrote love. I had way too much fun. And then I doodled that up and layered some there. I have two flaps that open up right here, and it releases two cute little flaps, and we have a pocket up at the top. And on the back of this, you can add pictures or even more journaling. I did use the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board to create this little notch. I have all my favorite supplies down in the description as well. And right here, I just wrote cherish, and I fussy cut around this, which I also show you how to do in some of my classes. So much fun. Again, another pocket right here. Always just right. And again, you could journal on the back, or you can even add another white picture mat there. And these all fold up. And the collection did come with other fun little 3x4 cut apart, so you can stick them really anywhere and everywhere that you want in your book. And this was a blast. Thank you everyone so much for joining me today. I had a wonderful time visiting with you. I hope you're well, and I super cannot wait to see what you think about this. You could totally join up in our app community, or even if you're a member on the website, join up on Mini Album Artists on Facebook, and let's share our projects together. I'll see you next time. Bye.